Good morning on this bright and beautiful Monday morning. It's noon, current temperature 32 degrees centigrade or 96 Fahrenheit, thereabouts. I don't know if you can see this. My finger there, red mark. That's where I got stung by a mosquito.
No.
Oh, it was painful.
Not mosquito, like...
Not mosquito. Hornet.
Hornet, yeah.
A hornet. It bit me. And it's lasted over a week. You know, the stiffness is gone now in the finger, but still a bit of itchiness. I've got a test tomorrow at the clinic for asthma, and on Wednesday we're going to see the doctor with the results. But they should be good, shouldn't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. SEAGULL. Yeah. Tucked into the food. All three of them. Can't be bad. Yeah, we're going into town. Get a couple of supplies. Get some ice cream. This is called Derek. You see on the right hand of the picture his wing stuck out. He must have damaged it at some point and it stayed like that. Because that's all we've ever known him looking like. They can recognise him straight away. So we called him Derek. No offence to any Dereks out there. I know he's a seagull, but he's a gannet. He'll eat anything and out. Won't you?
Yeah. And
He's just waiting for these to finish.
Crazy this year.
You are?
Wasps are crazy this year.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there's a few. I don't know if you can see them on the camera there, wasps. Dancing about. Sonia was stung by one a couple of weeks ago.
Yeah, I was pouring water for them there.
Yeah.
And I got stung.
He's finished. He's away now into the bushes to get cool and clean himself.
No.
And he's going the same way. Or he might be going for a drink first. No? Yeah, he's going for a drink. Here, come bring up the scraps. Yum, 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 yum.
Oops.
Oh, that's it, folks. We're going to get up now and we're going to go into town. Well, into the city or the town?
City.
City. Catch you later, people. Bye.
Bye, people.